Here's everything you need to know about this robotic pool vacuum. So first of all, it is easy to use. You charge it by plugging in here and plugging this into an outlet. A 3.5 hour charge will yield about 150 minutes of run time. Pretty slick. Now there is one piece of assembly. You do have to put this brush in, which was very easy to do. And important to note, this guy is meant for daily cleaning. Yep, you can use it every day. It's not meant for like heavy duty, big buildup of lots of algae or dirt or leaves or anything like that. It's meant to be run daily to keep your pool looking nice. Now, to use it is very simple. You'll simply push the power button and then you can drop it into the water. And then once it gets in the water, it goes back and forth. It'll run up on the edge and then it'll come backwards. And it just goes back and forth. And it works really well. So let me show you how to put it in the water. And of course, this is a little cord, a tether buoy, so that it makes it easy to pull it out of the water. So to use it, you simply hold the power button to turn it on, then this light turns green, and you lower it into the water. And it will take on some water and sink on its own, and then it's off to cleaning. Here it is in the water. You see it's going all the way to the other side of the pool. And when it gets to the edge, it will roll up on the edge and then come backwards. And there it is on the edge. And then it starts going the other direction. Pretty slick. It does a great job. I'm impressed with this pool vacuum. I recommend it.